Yo, what's good, YouTube? As you can see, we got another POV drive in one of Atlanta's richest neighborhoods, Tuxedo Park. You know, I want to go out, get a little motivational ride, motivate myself, starting the new year type shit on the big shit. You know what I mean? So I decided, let me bring y'all niggas with me, see what we on. Fit cool, some cool shit, nothing crazy, just on some chilling vibe and shit. You know what it is, bro. But we gonna go out, have a good little drive, you know, talk some real shit. Let's do it. Gonna be in manual mode. That shit nice right there. That's some clean shit. Ain't too big, just a nice little shit. Got your little space. I fuck with that shit. Fuck with that shit. This nigga got the Bentley on the side of the road. Am I tripping? Am I fucking tripping? This nigga got the Bentley on the side of the road, bro. I don't know what that is. I ain't gonna lie, that shit clean though. Yes, that's the Bentley, nigga. He got the Bentley on the side of the road. Brody is tripping. You got too much money, you playing with it like that. Putting the Bentley on the side of the road, bogus, bro. Them White Houses be nice as fuck, bro. And shit be so clean. Yeah, that shit nice, bro. Go ahead. I'm gonna let your ass go. Go ahead, shawty. Go ahead, shawty. Yeah, go ahead, shawty. Damn, bro. She could have been went. I'm trying to be chilling like his ass, boy. I know that nigga Richard Walk, bro. I ain't even got a question, bro. I know that nigga have it bank. Know that nigga have it bank, bro. Gotta go around his ass. He playing. Come on, that weak ass shit, bro. Make sure y'all drop a like, comment, subscribe, type on the keyboard, send it to your mama, send it to your sister, send it to your brother, send it to everybody. 2026. We on our shit. You know what I mean? Y'all type in the comments what type of vlogs y'all want to see, what type of videos y'all want to see. I'm for the people, bro. Whatever these niggas want to see, I'm trying to do it. We're gonna be traveling in 2026. A whole bunch of shit coming. Nice little clean G-Wagon. I be noticing, but they love them little G-Wagons. If it ain't a G-Wagon, they want the goddamn Range Rover. What up, man? Come on, as I'm speaking of shit, Range Rover, G-Wagon. Niggas love that shit, bro. Me, I'ma need me that little Bentley, bro. I'ma need that Bentley. That SUV, not the one the nigga had on the side of the street. I'm talking about the SUV. That's what I want. I want the Bentley SUV. Of course, a little Hellcat. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Yeah, bro, y'all drop a like, you know. Another Range Rover sighting. You're gonna see a lot of them hoes out here. Yeah, bro. I feel like it's good, you know, take little drives. Even if you ain't rich, it's like manifestation, bro. Yeah. I feel like a lot of people get confused. They'll be like manifestation, or they'll be like fake it till you make it. Like, it ain't faking it till you making it. Nigga just manifesting what he want to go on in his life. It's different if you just stay popping shit, goddamn. You think you really like that, and you know you ain't doing all that shit, bro. Then you faking it, but like manifestation is different. It's just going out, you know, trying to act like you doing this shit, because eventually one day you gonna be doing it. You ain't gotta be popping this shit for real. You ain't gotta be popping it too much. You just vibing out with it. That little dip in the road, bro. Probably gonna go ahead and end this video. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Got a lot more shit coming in, so drop a like I said, send it to your auntie, your poppy, all that shit, whatever for y'all call it. Damn. So yeah, that shit got thrown off. Damn, my fault. Goddamn, drop a like, comment, DY Pay, we out there, motherfucker. Yo.